Yeah, and then that evolved into I had a residential moving company for a while, so I had 2 trucks and a couple of guys with me, and we were running all over the province doing residential moving jobs. And after that, I dabbled a little bit in solar and heat pumps and, like renewable energy kind of deal. So I had a company doing that for a bit. And then I ended up not doing as well in that as I really wanted to.
Yeah.
So I went into the working for somebody else world for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I went into like heavy construction kind of deals. So like truck driving, crane operating, foundations, drain tile, a little bit of septic system stuff. So yeah, very, very hands-on. I renovated my own house from the studs back kind of deal as well.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, that's and that kind of is what led me into the real estate side of it. So the guy that I bought my house through, again, Rob DePiro, good friend of ours, he's now the general manager of Exit Realty Specialists. And so I had just sort of kept in touch with him. I was still doing the crane thing for a while.
Yeah.
And after COVID and all that sort of thing, there was so much instability in that particular job market at that point in time. I was looking to make a change. My body was getting kind of beat up from the trades a little bit too. So decided to, why not? We'll give it a swing. And I reached out to Rob and haven't looked back. It's been great.
Yeah.
So, I've been to Ontario to speak at investor conferences now. I focus more on the multifamily and commercial side of real estate. Still sell residential, of course, but it's not the primary focus, I guess.
Yeah, it's not where like your love of it is kind of
Exactly,
thing.
yeah. Like I do both all the time. There's no issue there.
Yeah.
But that's kind of where my focus and my drive is because I enjoy it.